Right, so the last thing I'm going to show you is in the exam they may ask you to send letters to everybody but. Now, there is an option to skip records. Okay, so you may obviously, I know you're familiar with a filter, you may have thought of creating a query, but try not to use anything more than the same software that you're actually in to make things a lot easier. So, for example, in the book they say, okay, send all the letters to everybody except class 9A. So that could be one you could do. So you could go to edit recipients list, and if you notice there is a, no, sorry, it's not in here, wrong thing, rules. It says skip record if. Okay, so here we go, we've got the field name. So you select the field name, class, and then you've got your comparisons, like equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Scroll down, is blank, is not blank. Okay, so I'm going to put equal to, compared to 9A. So I press OK, and I do my merge. That says, and you can see it comes up, skip record if. Now, so when I do my merge now, so there should be everybody but, hopefully, yeah, 9A, 9R, 9, yeah, so it's everybody but that class. So I could even try that again, so just to check that it works. So I'm going to delete that field there, so it's like that didn't exist. There we go, there's class, and I'm going to go to rules, skip record if class is equal to 9n. There we go. Okay, so oops, no, actually I'm going to go back and do that again. There we go. See, even as a teacher I can make mistakes, so don't worry about making mistakes. What you need to worry about is putting them right. Okay, so there we go, preview result. Okay, so it's come up with 9n. That shouldn't have happened. Let's take that off. Skip record. Oh, it's got 2 skip records if, that's fine. Okay, so you can see that how that works now. So play around with that, give that a go, and obviously practice some exam questions, and that's pretty much the last of it.